Evening friends, welcome to my channel Market Analysis with Amit Dhamija. Today we will try to analyze the position taken by different market participants and we'll try to view how the market can behave tomorrow. So let us see what market participants have done today. So the retail clients, whom I fondly call as Babbar share, so they have sold some index futures, and the real Babbar shares have uh, bought index calls in huge quantity, and they also took some other bullish positions. DI has also shorted some index futures, and the position taken by FIs were mostly bearish, and pros, although they bought index futures, but they sold index calls in huge quantity. So now let us try to decode further how the data actually behaved in details. So retailers who were holding 9,000 contracts plus till yesterday, now they reduced their longs to 2,600 contracts in index futures. The DI has further built up on their index future shorts, and now they are standing alone in the short position in index futures on net basis. In terms of FIs, they were holding 22,000 index future longs, but now they are holding 15,000 long only because they net sold 6,800 contracts. The pros, who are basically HNIs, so they in particular were short yesterday, but now they have totally switched over their position. Now they are longs in index futures. The retail clients, as we discussed earlier, now they are holding 97,000 contracts of index calls on account of huge buying done today. It will have to be seen whether these call buying can be turned profitable or not. And these are the HNIs who have mainly supplied this. The FIs are also holding it. So as regards index put long, so for a change, retailers have not sold much of quantity of index put longs, index puts. I mean to say. So the pros have also shorted good quantity of puts already, but for the day there is not much change. The institutions are holding the puts, whereas the individuals have sold it. So another thing is to be seen, the stock futures, although there is not much change, but the data of stock futures by retailers keeps on rising, and of FIs it keeps on declining. As regards stock call long, again retailers bought and pros sold, and as regards, and the net position also remains bullish for retailers and bearish for pros. And the stock put longs, primarily the net position suggests that retailers have sold lot of puts which have been bought by the pros. Now we'll try to identify the levels of Nifty and Bank Nifty. First we look at Nifty. This is a Nifty 30 minutes chart for last 5 days, with the help of which we'll try to ascertain the support and resistances. So we can see we are currently around this level. Here we are somewhere here, but the resistance is currently placed at around 11,150 or so, and then 11,220, that is the next resistance, and then 11,300. These are the resistances. And similarly the support is placed at around 11,060, 11,025, and 10,950 and 10,880. So these are the support levels for Nifty. And then we move to the Bank Nifty. So in Bank Nifty, the resistance is placed at 21,650, then 750, 950, and 22,250. And the support is at 450, 21,450, 21,330, and around 21,000 level. So these are the supports and resistance levels which can be used for price action trading as well. And as regards cash markets, so there is a selling by FIs, small selling, not much, and by DIs as well. That means the retailers bought these uh, sold quantities in cash market. And there is a premium. This is the spot level, so there is a 31 point premium, and the change in open interest is negative. That means it was on account of short covering. So we'll have to see who uh, covered the shorts. So as regards the support and resistances, so there is clearly support at 11,100, 11,000, and then at 11,900 as well as 11,800. So there is a good block of four spots where the supports are there, and there is a resistance at 11,100 itself, because there is some in the money call writing. So just in case the market opens below this level, it will act as a resistance. And then at 11,200, 300 also. So these are the resistance levels for Nifty. Now we move to Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty, there is some good premium, around almost 100 points premium is there. And there again we can see there is clearly unwinding of shorts, so on account of short covering. We'll see, since the short covering was there in Nifty, Bank Nifty both, so it is important for us to check who did this short covering, and or in other words, which were the category of clients which was forced to cover their shorts. So we can see on 21,500 there is some support, and then it's at 21,200 and 300 levels also there is some support, and then at 21,000, and after that at 20,500. If we go to again 21,500, just in case we open below that, then it should act as a resistance. Apart from that, there is good resistance at 21,800, in fact 900 also, and huge resistance at 22,000 levels. So these are the support and resistance level. We'll try to now conclude the video with our view. First, I'll read out the disclaimer. The knowledge sharing is for educational purposes only. These are not buy sell calls. Please consult your financial advisor before taking any action. Keep stop loss in system and trail. World market should not have opposite trend. Watch out for market impacting news. Paid webinar for best strategies. For Hindi, it's on 9th August Sunday. For English, it is on 16th August Sunday. And the charges and details are given in the video description already, so you can check for the same. And this is my Telegram channel. The details of the webinar etc. can be found there also. The channel name is t.me/market analysis Nifty Bank Nifty. So now the undertone of the market should remain bullish till 10 a.m. at least, because at 10 a.m. there is RBI policy. So if we get world market support, then my strategy would be to play on the long side, but I'll square off those longs by 10 a.m. because anything can happen after 10 a.m. The moment RBI policy comes, there are huge movements on both the sides. So once I see based on price action, whichever side the support and resistance, as we discussed on the charts, are being taken away, so I'll try to trade on that side based on price action, not based on data. So that is my view for tomorrow. Bullish undertone till 10 a.m. subject to world market support, and after that I'll trade on price action only. So that is my view for tomorrow, guys. Tomorrow there is expiry also, so be careful and stay safe, and may the Almighty uh, wishes wish you to get good profits tomorrow, and may you get lots of profit, and your day also remains good. Thank you so much, guys. God bless you. Take care. Bye bye.